Hi guys! This is not the first time we have talked about Yilong equipment in our reviews. We started with the new products, but today we are going to return to the roots and look at the first assistance for tattoo and permanent makeup artists from the Yilong company. Today we are reviewing the powerful and wireless Yilong F3 with the adjustable stroke. Don't scroll and stay until the end. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now, subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. Let me remind you about the Yilong company. The company was founded in 2003. They create tattoo equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup artists around the world for 15 years. Yilong has production, and their products include tattoo machines, tattoo needles, spare parts, tattoo power supplies, tattoo furniture, and even tattoo books. Years of professional production have helped to get CE certifications for the company's products. And the packaging. The design is similar to the packaging of Yilong F8, black-red color of the box with the image and name our tattoo machine. Also, it has information about the adjustable stroke. The packaging is big, therefore let's see what's inside to the box with our tattoo pen. Firstly, on the inside of the cover there are some parameters of the tattoo machine, how change the working voltage, how turn on, and so on. Instruction with also some technical specifications. Of course, the amazing feature of this set is the storage case that stores our tattoo machine. It's very convenient for tattoo and permanent makeup artists who travel to the conferences and master classes abroad. Inside of the storage case. Second, wireless battery. Type-C charging cable. The kit doesn't have power adapter. I use power adapter from my iPhone. And our pen. Yilong F3 has a matte body, with the exception of the ring for changing the needle stroke. It's glossy. The length is 140 mm. The machine weight is a little heavy for my hand. Faceted holder with mosaic near the cartridge. And the head, more detailed of the device. The company manufacturer informs that the machine weight is 225 grams. We are checking together. On the scales is 230 grams. The machine weight is a little heavy for my hands. The grip is not wide. The weight is located in upper motor part of the device. I think a female hands of permanent makeup artist will need to get used to the dimensions. Tattoo artists work with that equipment dimensions more often. Pen form is standard. You can use different barrier protector, they will all fit. Yilong F3 has 3 colors of insert: red, gray and black. Price is about $150, it's now fall 2024. Working voltage is from 4 to 12 volts. This is a powerful equipment. It makes a good uniform drawing even with cartridges with a large number of needles, but I recommend working with these cartridges from 8 volts. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the middle button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. On the big screen you see information about the charge operating voltage, and timer that records the operating time of the equipment. This is especially convenient for tattoo artists when the cost of work is calculated based on the time spent on it. The buttons of the arrow change the working voltage. That's all. With a single battery providing 8 hours of work. With a spare wireless battery, you get about 16 hours of work. Changing the battery is effortless and is attached using a magnet. One more time. An interesting solution. Yilong F3 has adjustable stroke from 2.3 to 4.5 millimeters. These functions offers a lot of various techniques for tattoo and permanent makeup artists because you change the needle stroke from short to long. Artists can work with different skin, different styles, and to achieve diverse results. You just twist the ring on the body with locking clicks. With the needle stroke 2.7 mm, for example, Yilong F3 is more soft during working. With the needle stroke 4.5 mm, pen has more heat strong. You will feel the difference, so it's not just numbers. The pixel drawn is also really different. On a 4.2 or 4.5 mm strokes, the distance between the points will be longer and the drawing will be more airy. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with locking clicks. This device has some needle strokes, therefore the needle protrusion will be different. For example, for stroke of 4.2 mm, I use a needle protrusion of up to 4 mm for good flow pigments. For stroke of 3.2 mm, for example, I use a needle protrusion of up to 3 mm. The grip's diameter is 30 mm. We must sterilize the grip, but I didn't find any information about sterilization Yilong equipment in the official website. I recommend a disinfectant, an autoclave, and will be careful with the high temperature sterilizer box so as not to spoil the grip. Yilong F3 is compatible with many cartridges. I'm turning on our pen. I'm choosing working voltage 5.5. I'm having the needle stroke 2.7. Minimal vibration. I'm going to work with this needle stroke 2.7. Let's go. I power my fingers a little on the cartridge for more convenient working. With the fast speed of the hand and head of the artist for powder, for example, there will be discomfort at first due to the dimensions and located of weight in the upper motor part of the device. It's our brows. Good control while working with the line and minimal vibration. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Yilong F3 is wireless pen from Chinese company Yilong, which create tattoo equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup artists around the world for 15 years. The machine weight is a little heavy for my hand. I think a female hand of permanent makeup artist will need to get used to the dimensions. Tattoo artists work with that equipment dimensions more often. This is a powerful equipment. It makes a good uniform drawing even with cartridges with a large number of needles. Simple operation with 3 buttons. With a spare wireless battery you get about 16 hours of work. Yilong F3 has the adjustable stroke from short to long. Permanent makeup and tattoo artists can work with different skin, different style and to achieve diverse results. Good control while working with line and minimal vibration. This tattoo machine is for artists who already work with different techniques, different skin types and problems. They can use different power and impact force using all the technical functions of the device. I will leave link where you can buy this device from video description. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.